Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. My name is Chinedu Chike, the CEO of Dubiss Forex Academy. So sorry, we made a video for our weekly analysis. I never knew the sound was not there, so I just want to make another video. So most of these were already analyzed, so I will just be showing you. So, but eventually you watch the previous video so that you can understand based on the sound that is coming out right now. So if this is the first time you're joining our weekly analysis, please subscribe to this channel. Today is 3rd of December 2024, and I'm excited because um, this very week now we are having the last NFP for the year 2024. So on Friday is NFP. So we are going to show you both technical and fundamental, and then that Friday we are going to trade live. So starting with SAUSD, which is gold, we always like to start with SAUSD. Please subscribe to this channel. Let me have your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for all those that commented, and you were able to give us feedback that there was no sound in the previous video, and that's why I'm doing this. So please just go back, and then maybe we may not delete that one. So but this one now is just an updated record, updated analysis based on the previous one that I dropped today that didn't have sound. Okay, so once again we apologize for this coming late. So it's supposed to be yesterday, but today is Tuesday, 3rd of December 2024. So let's start with XAUSD. So as analyzed, if you see, last 1 week, gold have been moving, just consolidating. So we've identified liquidity zones. If you have not watched our video on the liquidity zone, please go and do that. Go and watch it. So this is the liquidity zone, which is the demand zone where gold most likely is going to touch. So gold is bearish right now. So this is the retracement of this massive movement. This is a 1,000 pips movement. Let's measure it together. This is 1,020 something pips. Look at the 1,060 pips move. That was 2 weeks ago, Friday. Then last week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last week, this is last week. So throughout last week, it was just, consolidating, just retracing, corrective. This is a corrective move of this impulsive move. All right. You can see this, if you even check it on a bigger picture, this is an impulsive move. This is a correction. All right. This is this movement now. All right, impulsive move in a day, it moved more than 1,000 pips. So this correction now is going to give us another move downwards. So today, like I said, for it's unfortunate you didn't hear me in the last one. I said I'm only selling gold, but it's still valid. You can still enter a sell for gold. If you go to H1, you see it. Look at it. So on H1, you can see what it's doing. So I sold already and I made good profit. Right now, it's already retraced. So this is 100 pips. So I started selling from 2650. So right now, it has retested that 2650. Look at where it got to now, 2647. So and it's also going down again. So today there is a fundamental news. Let me just show you so that you can see why we want to do that. Let me show you. There's a fundamental on look at it, Jolt job opening for today. Look at it, Jolt job opening by 4 p.m. And we are believing that this news most likely will favor dollar. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. For 3 times out of 5 times it was released, 3 times it was positive, 2 times negative. So today we are believing it's going to be positive. Last time was October 29, it was 7.44 negative. So this time around, dollar has been strong. So this news most likely is going to come out positive. If it is 7.51, dollar already it will still be strong because last time was 7.44. So if you come out as forecasted, dollar will still be strong. But if you come out higher than 7.51 million, then it will be more stronger. Dollar will be more stronger. Gold will fall very well. So until this news come out, then before we really know. So you can see the CPI for, let's see, this CPI news supposed to have happened 8:30 for her. CPI CPI for, look at it, the CPI, sorry, let's close this. The CPI news come out minus 0.1 as forecasted. So I don't think it will have much impact on CHF. We'll look at it when we get to CHF first. All right, so these are fundamental. Let me quickly finish all the fundamental news this week. So we have AUD, GDP on Wednesday. We also have ADP non-farm employment change, and that is for USD. That's on Wednesday. So just go to Forex Factory, look at the red folders. You look at previous, forecast, and actual. You open the box, the details. When you go and see those folders, open it and look at how it will affect the market when the news come out. So that is where you see the details. You can see eSIM on Wednesday. For example, if you open this folder, it will tell you how, why is the market, why is traders concerned about this, where the news is coming from. All right. Actual trends and forecast is good for currency. Release monthly on the third business day after this. So you see all those things. Okay. So you can only see it on when you open details. All right. Open the folder. So, and then it's only when the news come out before we will know the actual. It is the actual that market reacts to. So these are forecasted. You can see the forecast, the previous, and then wait for the actual. So this week, like I said, is we have on Friday. Friday is a big day. Employment change, unemployment rates, average hourly earnings. So not Friday is not fun period. We are going to trade live that day on Friday. So this is December. Market is actually somehow right now a lot less opportunity. You know, market is not moving very well, and that's why we have not been spending also much trade. Right, we have not been spending much based on the way the market has been. So we're going to look at it together. So let's go back to our analysis. So you can see the gold is already moving down more because I've re-entered again and is on profit too. My second position is on profit. So if you're seeing this video, I'm going to try to be faster so that you can take action and trade. So that is it for gold. So this is our long time projection for gold, that it go up. Look at it. Once you move up like this, then it will go down. And this is where we are looking for. This is 25, around 2500, 2530, 2500. That's where no 2530. Yeah, that is the liquidity zone, not 2500. Around 25. Look at it. This is where we are looking at that to get to. So let's say 2545 or 2530. This is where we are looking at gold will move down to. So GBP and I said if this news come out today and dollar is stronger, if this news come out and favor dollar, this GBP may eventually come down again. This is what we call liquidity sweep. You can see here, this very place now, there's a liquidity sweep. All right, yeah, you can see this pair price got to this point, which is a support zone, which is a demand zone, and before you know it, price move down, break here. Some people call it stop loss hunt. All right, but when it comes to smart money concept, this is what we call liquidity sweep. And at the end of the day, price went back, and then you can see it's time to retest here and go up. So what I'm expecting is that maybe price we move down again and then give us entry point to move up. So today, if dollar is strong, so most likely price will come down again. But generally, I'm looking for opportunity to buy GBP USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, same thing with Euro USD. So we have already identified all the zones. Okay, look at the liquidity zones we have identified. So we are believing that price, if today dollar, the news come out and favor dollar, price will go down to touch this particular zone. Look at the liquidity zone we've identified here. From here, price will move up until here is broken before price will come down to this one. So at the moment, Euro USD is bearish. All right, but price, we are actually looking for opportunity to buy Euro USD. The where price is right now, price could fall even today, fall more. Euro USD could fall more. before rising. So that's why we have drawn it and shown you. So for you to take notes. So let's shrink it so that you see or see it very well. This is analysis for Euro USD price could get down before moving up. Euro GBP. Euro GBP has been for 3 months has been consolidating, moving in a range 1, 2, 3. For 3 months, this is where price has been. So in fact, at the point I have to close my position, we're buying this pair, though on profit. Right now, as far as this particular liquidity zone is still holding very strong, price will still bounce. You can see it touched yesterday and it's bouncing already. So this is analysis. This analysis is still valid. So we don't know when price will move again to move up to extend that it will now move up to this point. So we watch and see. So for 3 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, since September, October, November, this is December now. And let's see whether it's in this December it will actually move. Then for NZD USD, same scenario. NZD USD, there was a liquidity sweep here, and it now got to this other block around here, so which is under liquidity zone. So we could see price coming down again before moving up. Already we entered this trade for a buy and we made 100 pips. So today, like I said, if that news come out, Joe's news come out, job opening. If you come out for USD price and it's positive, price could go down and it will go back to the test here before price will rise. USD cash. USD cash, we made 100 pips plus, but not up to 150 pips. We hit at TP2, we didn't hit TP3. Remember last time I told you that I will be exiting the market, that if you want to hold your own, put your stop loss in entry point. Why did I exit from that market? Because I see that price is coming closer to this zone, which is a demand zone. It was broken last time when it broke, so we decided to sell the test, and that was the trade I sent. So until here is broken, we now know it's a fake out. At the moment now it's not broken. Look at on the yesterday, being Monday, on Friday it got to this point and exited on Friday. So yesterday, as if I know, it was respected very well and it started moving up. Look at yesterday candle. So today price is trying to retest here. So what I drew here is that price most likely will retest and then fly up. So it's a buy trade at the moment now, USD CAD. But until here is broken before we could now see that trade going even up to a TP5. So at the moment we made two with TP2 while we watch and see what will happen fundamentally today. Okay, so USD CHF, all right. Like I told you, that news didn't have much effect. So price, remember last time when here was looking, I told that price will be pursuing this liquidity zone here. So I've identified another one, which is this one I just drew it today when I did that first analysis today that didn't have sun. So I'm believing that price, assuming that I did this analysis yesterday, would have buy this pair, because look at 1, 2, 3. This was actually telling us something that this retracement now, this is a price action for price to continue to move up. But yesterday eventually moved. If you watch, it's over 60 pips. And that's why I didn't enter it again, because after yesterday, price already moved. Look at it, 80 pips plus. So I've missed the entry point, but price could actually continue to move up. For those of you that are aggressive, you can still trade it to buy. But at the moment, I will not buy again because price could still fall. It's already moved more than 80 pips. So that's it for USD So there's still more room upwards. Then Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Remember that Euro AUD, from this liquidity zone, we have been buying Euro AUD. And this last week, we made 100 pips. When price moved, I saw it. We say, okay, even though price have already moved, that we could still move up further. So we now send that trade for a buy. We've already made 100 pips. All these things you see, price is just trying to make a little retracement because price could still go further up. So that is why I draw this price coming down and then entry point, getting entry here, and then price move up. This is the final target. This case most likely is going to be broken. Look at this case now. Price will break this particular structure here now. So what we're going to see is price moving down, get entry point, or trying to retest here, and then price move up to touch this liquidity zone, which is supply zone, this particular supply zone here. So look at the price by the side, you will see all the prices. So CHF, GBCHF, right? Last time, I think 2 weeks ago, we tried to buy, hit our stop loss. Then last week, we bought GBCHF and we made 100 pips. It was already going towards TP3 right now. Price is around TP2, so there's still room upward. So this particular structure is holding 1, 2, 3. This is holding very strong. So price could actually move, even hit at TP5. So it's still valid to chase towards TP5. That is GBP CHF. And then GBP JPY. GBP JPY, we made 100 pips last week, and price eventually fired down yesterday after we made 100 pips, and that was last week. We saw a harmonic pattern on daily, and we can see this particular structure here. This is the first one we saw. All right, when price hit we bought. So right now you can see price have moved down one after we made 100 pips. So right now this place now is a decision point, is a key level where price is sitting right now. So if here is expected, price could move exactly from here up. All right, but once here is broken, this is the next liquidity zone where we can get another entry point. So that is why at the moment that I'm waiting, watching to see first if price we respect here very well, and then price continue to go up, then we could start buying again. I only have this trade on one of my big accounts. That is the only place I have it, and I'm holding, made some profit, holding some, waiting for it to enter profit. But on other small accounts, this trade I've closed them, waiting for price to really let us know, give us direction if it's going to respect here very well before we continue to buy GP, JPY. But generally, it's a buy trade for me. Okay, so but we need to know whether here is going to be respected or it's going to be broken, and because once here is broken, the next liquidity zone where we'll get an entry point is downwards here, which is around 183. That's a massive pitch. So we need to watch here very well. Price around 189.97. Let's just say around between 190, between 189, 190. That's where the price is. So wait for confirmation here before we buy GBPJPY. Then Euro NZD, there's no uh, no setup right now, no setup on Euro NZD. Then USD Congratulations to those that followed my previous analysis. I said once here is broken, price will move down. If you want to see that it was broken and price have really gone down, this is over 500 pips. So right now, the dollar, the news come out and it's favor dollar, then price will move up more. So there's a harmonic right now for a buy. So the fundamental will confirm it today. If dollar is strengthening as we anticipating that it's going to be strong today, then price will go further up. And then NFE on Friday was to let us know if price will move further up. All right. So before Friday, we'll come live and then analyze NFE, the news, the fundamental together, and then we'll know what to do. Okay. So for GBAUD right now, there's no where price is now. Okay, even though we had this identified, so it's only if here is respected as it's broken, tested, and then before we could see price go further up to get to the next liquidity zone. Okay, so Euro card, you can see that Euro card really gave us good money. Euro card, since we started selling Euro card, so the broke here come down. Remember when it come down here, I told you that there's a liquidity zone here, and price just touched that liquidity zone and started buying. We missed this buy last week, and I told you that once it buy that, the next place to sell is at this point, and it got there and it started selling. So watch our analysis and then keep the chart for yourself, and each time you see price getting to that point, we may not be there to say enter the market. Then once you see that price have gotten there, you watch and see price action, you can take your trades. Look at it, just hits here and price already falling, so it could fall back to this point. All right. Then CHF JPY is already respecting this liquidity zone that we just identified just today, that will draw this zone, and price is already going up for CHF JPY. It could move further up until here is broken before it will come to the next liquidity zone. So if here is being respected, price will definitely move up, which is already doing. So finally, GBP card, this it has been respecting this channel. We identified this channel where this is the big channel where price has been moving. So until this one now is the liquidity sweep that happened here, he tried to break out, and at the end of the day, come back. At least he went and collected stop loss and is going. So most likely, price will continue to move up. Probably to get to this point, price will continue to move up. We still have enough room to go, almost 400 plus pips to get to the rooftop to this trend line before price could fall. Alright, that is it for GP card. But where it is like price could in fact from here to respect here and then fall back to this zone. Alright, that's why you don't need to just jump. If you miss the entry at this point, so you need to hold on, right? Because where price is now is at the middle. So you need to hold on to see if price will continue to move up. But once you see price around this zone, you can sell again. So if you miss the entry for a buy here, you've missed it. So you need to hold on. There's no entry point where price is right now. So these are the analysis for this week. And these are the pairs we finalized. Once again, we apologize for the previous one that didn't have sound. I believe this one, the sound is okay. Please let me have your comment. If the sound is okay, please comment also. All right. Your comment will help us to improve, to check if there's a mistake, we'll correct the mistake. So thank you very much for watching. Follow us on all social media handles, Dubiss Forex Academy. Follow us Facebook, Instagram. Let me just show you once again. This is our LinkedIn. LinkedIn is Chinedu Chikeze. Look at the Chinedu Chikeze, CEO, Dubiss Forex Academy. And I want to appreciate you guys. At least we've been able to get up to 1,000 followers, 1,000 plus. We know we were not promoting, doing much on LinkedIn until just last year. We just started. At the moment, we're already up to 1,038 on LinkedIn. Thank you very much. The massive love, even on YouTube. On YouTube, I can tell you, is also massive on YouTube. On YouTube, we are already 1,006 something. No, 2,000. Sorry. This is it for YouTube. Honestly, we are glad. Let me show you. We are glad that you guys are really following us. We already have. Sorry, we already have. Look at this. 2,067. 2006. 2067K subscribers. We had over 300 subscribers just this last 1 week, and we can't take it for granted. We are really appreciate you. Thank you very much for the massive love. Let's have your comment in the comment section. Follow us even on Telegram as well. Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. Thank you very much for watching. Look at it on Telegram. Dubiss Forex Academy. Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. You can see our last week result. All right. So thank you very much for watching. Ensure you open account with our Broker FXPRO. Pundits, get ready on Friday. We'll trade live and we'll make money. Thank you very much for watching. See you. Happy New Month once again. Welcome to the month of December. Prepare for next year. 2025 is coming, so you need to use the December. Don't eat all your money. Enjoy your life. Enjoy this December, but don't eat everything. Make sure you save the one that you will use to trade. More especially, 2025 is coming, and you need to prepare for 2025 even right now. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers, guys. Bye.